1010, 2011.
You just told me you was a flight attendant, you retired. You off.
I can't.
Put your other foot in.
I'm 68 years old. Ow!
One's going to be Carlia 04, break. Second one's going to be Data Villa.
I think I can pull forward. What do you think?
That's how I spelled it, no return.
I tried stopping.
So what happened?
We were like at that light, and it literally felt like boom, red light. I was like, okay, no, and I hit the brakes about 30 miles an hour. Where like I'd honestly say from the back of the cop car right here, hit the brakes.
Okay. Make sure you have your dog grab it because I don't want it to get hit by a vehicle, or put it in there.
And that's where we were kind of just at. We were just kind of like, I told him and when I was like, hey guys, hold on, this shit's gonna, and I mean, okay.
Hello, sir. Are you driving one of these vehicles? Which one? Who else? Is that your son? Grandson?
My 2 cents.
Are they okay?
They appear to be all right.
Perfect.
Hey, thank you for stopping.
On July 14th, 2024, a blue Nissan Altima sedan slammed into the back of a black Ram pickup truck, leaving the front end completely wrecked. Yet the driver still insisted it was the other vehicle's fault.
Officer,
Yes, sir.
one of the witnesses, he didn't, I don't think he gave his name, I think he took off, said that the male was driving.
Yeah, that's
you
what
got
they're
that?
stating.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay, because at first they told me it was the...
Yeah, no. He admitted that he was driving and I guess he got distracted and rear-ended. So he's going to be at fault, obviously.
I know.
So we'll proceed as... Right now we'll give you a report number. Is it drivable?
I don't know, it was
Do
starting...
you want to try it?
they're hooked onto me is the problem.
Yeah, it's gonna. I mean, if you want to take it home, unless you want to tow it, but I
So,
don't want to give you more.
Here's the issue, right? We're staying at the KOA. We got a trailer.
Okay.
We're from California. If I can drive the truck, my kind of tentative plan is I'm going to go to the KOA and say, hey, can you the trailer here until I can come back and get it?
Right.
And then I'll drive home to California and get the truck fixed and come back.
Come back for it.
Because I don't have because
Right.
I look, there's no way.
Yeah, there's no way you're gonna take. Okay.
Are you guys born from here?
No, I'm from Roswell.
Spelling for the first
We were literally just coming to get like
Charles, Adam, Robert, Lincoln, Ida.
like coming from the lake. Yes, sir. Like honestly, it was like
Will be spelled Victor, Ida, Lincoln, Lincoln, Adam.
Do you have someone that can come pick up the vehicle, or you want to tow?
if I could have my work phone, I could have it towed, but I don't
Okay.
How you guys doing? Not hurt? A little scared, huh? Yeah.
It was terrifying because I was sitting with my head like right there.
Yeah.
And then I just got shot.
Now you know why you need your seatbelt on.
I did have my seatbelt on.
Yeah, it's important to sit right while you have your seatbelts on too. Let them do their jobs.
It's not comfy sitting right.
No, it's not, but it's safe. Good thing you guys are in a big old truck.
You would have been hurt.
Yeah.
If you're in a smaller car, it probably
The only
would.
bad thing here is we're on vacation.
Are you guys?
And we're towing a trailer, and I don't see that happening now.
Oh man.
No, not with this one.
Have you had anything to drink today?
I had like about two
Twisted Teas. How long ago?
about 3 hours ago.
Okay. 3 hours ago? Okay.
Luckily, you guys were in that big.
Thank God. We would have been seriously hurt. I saw him in the rearview mirror, and I was like, he's gonna hit me, you know?
How are the kids doing? They were really pretty shook up.
You know, it wasn't that bad in the truck. It was a jolt. It wasn't that...
I see pieces all the way back there, so.
Oh, I saw it. I guess when I thought he had come around the corner because he did the swerve, and that I guess he had just come over the hill going really fast and didn't.
I told you to stop.
But you said when I stopped.
I said-
2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013. I got a bad knee, brother. I don't know what you want me to do. I got a bad knee.
Turn around. Just turn around.
And what am I getting charged with? You're not reading my Miranda rights right now.
Yeah, I've heard.
You don't? For what? Relax your arm.
Is he asking you questions?
He's not.
Okay, you're asking him questions?
I am.
Okay, so he doesn't have to read your Miranda rights. You understand?
We have to search you.
Yep.
Check rate. Do you have anything that might give me prohibition? No. So is this your phone?
Yep. I want your option for you. Yeah, that's what you want for.
He continued to act defiant, claiming that his wrist was injured from the handcuffs being too tight, which required medical personnel to be called.
Yeah, exactly. Sir.
Okay. So EMTs were there?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't remember speaking to them?
Or I do.
you ask
They
them for
look
medical?
over my wrist. It may be broken right now, and you don't even know because you didn't ask, right? Your body cam's on though?
Yes, sir.
You want to get checked out by medic?
I did not.
Do you want to get checked out by medic?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Hey, Officer Casello. So when the EMTs get here,
Yeah.
am I going to get tested for alcohol level?
No, we're gonna test you over here.
No. I feel more comfortable going to a hospital.
That's not how the process.
Are you sure though?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I don't know. My wrist hurts.
They checked him out already. He said
Did they
everything was
check
okay.
me out? No, Officer Casello. Did
That's
they?
saying that his wrist is hurting.
Okay.
We'll check it out.
Were you the driver? Yeah. Okay. Did that mark on your wrist? Did it come from hitting the steering wheel?
No,
You don't
honestly,
know?
it felt like I can't bend my wrist. That's all I know.
Where are you feeling?
You can't do this, is what you're saying? You can't
That's
move
exactly
it?
right.
Okay. But you can move your fingers.
You got any feeling in your fingers? Wiggle your fingers like this. Can you feel me touching them? Can you feel this in your hand?
And the tips, yeah. And the tips.
Were you wearing a watch or anything?
No.
No?
Turn your arm this way.
Yeah. A little bit of swelling? Or no, it's probably from
Yeah.
the airbag. Did your airbag come out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you have the handcuffs around your wrist? You just got pressure marks on your wrist.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
So when I was like, I can squeeze it, but it definitely fucking sucks. That's just all it is. Like, I was squeezing it, I grabbed the steering wheel, and like, I kind of put up my arm. All I remember is just it hit me.
I bet
Does
you
it
it's
hurt
from the
more on
airbag.
this side, right where it's cut, or on this side?
More where it's cut in the middle of it.
Does it burn? Feels like a burning?
No.
No? Your airbag didn't go off?
It did.
It did go off?
Yeah, it
Okay.
did.
I bet you that's where it's from. It's more-
So
That's
airbag's
all.
off.
That's all I figured. It was like I didn't get hit in the face or nothing. It just hit my wrist. That's all I felt was because it hit me like right in the wrist.
It looks more like a carpet burn. So it's
Like-
probably from here. If it's like broken, because usually if it's broken, we can usually push on it and it would kind of
Move.
Yeah, you feel the...
But I don't feel it. So to be honest, the
And
way
they
my
had me in
knee
the
looks worse.
handcuffs. My knee.
Yeah, your knee looks worse.
My wrist literally felt like it got like I can't feel it right now, but it went down. So it just.
Yeah.
They had me in handcuffs, and
When you were holding the steering wheel, was your thumb on the inside or did you keep it on the outside?
I
Have it on the inside, right?
like I guess it's what 4 and 6 or whatever it is.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is like can you see
Was
this
your
bar
grip-
right
was
here?
your-
Like say if this was my
Was
steering
your thumb
wheel.
wrapped or unwrapped?
Yeah,
Oh,
was it
like you have a
wrapped
monkey grip or did you have it wrapped?
Yeah. So what happened was when your hands like this, the airbag comes out, hits your arm, and so now it's
Whenever it gets like that, like across to like my girlfriend was in the car. Like I was like this arm that way to hold it back, and like this arm was here. That's just.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. I mean,
Does it hurt like in here? Real bad?
There you go.
Like in here?
No, it's more so like right here.
Like in here? Does it hurt?
Right there by it. I mean, I'm not trying to or whatever, but it definitely hurts right in this area.
It's my own fingers bleeding.
Hey, can I get a phone call or something?
Once you get to Joe, they'll give you a phone call.
Jail? What am I waiting on exactly? Processing?
Restarting that breathalyzer.
You guys,
So, you want to make a phone call? Give us like 10 minutes, and then you'll be able to use the restroom and all that.
I don't need to use the restroom. I just want to call my mom.
Yeah,
so she
we'll
can call
let
me,
you-
and then like she can go pick up my dog or my girlfriend.
Perfect. Yeah, just give us like 10-15 minutes.
So I don't have my phone, so I'm gonna call myself.
Okay.
Yeah, is that fine with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Just give us like 15 minutes.
No, I ain't.
It's probably what it is. Okay. Get up and sit.
Yes, sir. Have it again, and then you're gonna do the same steps. Take a deep breath in, fix onto the system until the tone stops. Okay?
Starting up?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can stop. Alright, we'll just head back to
We'll walk over here, man. Want some water? Do you need to use the restroom or no? Yeah? Go ahead there, man. It's gonna be straight ahead.
The The charge of driving under the influence can result in fines and/or suspension of the driver's license, along with a warning or non-custodial correction depending on the severity and consequences of the violation. In more serious cases, the penalty can increase to 2 to 5 years.
Okay, this is Miss David. Okay, let's explain something to you. All right, I'm being honest with you. Okay, you've been discharged from the hospital. Okay,
Yes, and
listen.
I have no problem with that.
Well, the problem is you have to leave the property.
Honey, how long? Okay, let me just ask you one question. How long has it been since they told me that? 15 minutes, damn it!
It don't take that long to leave the property.
Well, I was waiting for my shoes. Do I have
They don't
them?
have any shoes for you.
I had shoes when I came in.
No, ma'am, you did not. I promise you didn't.
How do you know? Are you a shoe salesman?
No, because we have cameras here.
Oh, well, let's pull the tape and let me watch.
Ma'am, it doesn't work that way.
Okay, let's see. Let me just check
Wait,
in
wait,
here.
go ahead.
Are you positive I didn't have shoes?
If you did, you'd be wearing them, right?
I do not know. I think you're wearing them. I think you're a cross-dresser.
You never know.
Let's see. Okay.
Miss Davis at this one.
Yeah.
There are these shoes. They were inside of the
They were inside.
That's
See, you lied to me.
No. Here's the thing. I grabbed all of the items. I do not go inside of your personal belongings. So if they were outside, then I would see them. If you want me to have them, I will take them.
I'll put them in the bag.
Okay. That's absolutely fine. So I'm glad you do have shoes, and you don't have to be
Glad. Will
careful.
you check and see if there's any more in them? Can
Again,
you
those
do
are your
that?
personal belongings.
Can
If
you
you have one
put-
shoe,
How
grab
about
the
you?
other one.
Can you put your hand?
Let's find the other shoe.
Looks like you found that one.
I'm glad she has them.
I am too.
I didn't pack her bag.
Now listen, I gotta go on shift at the other hospital Bayfront under CNA, and I wipe asses, not kiss them, mister. So you know, and I'm a lobotomist.
You just told me you was a flight attendant.
I
You
am.
retired.
I'm retired.
You offered all kind of good things to me, and then you acting like this.
Honey, I did not say that to you.
Yes, you did. I talked to you earlier.
I think you hit your.
Okay, I probably did.
I think so. No, I was a flight attendant. Not anymore.
Right, I know.
It was 30 years. Delta Airlines. I got my uniform. I'll send it to you. You can wear it on Halloween.
Okay. But right now it's time for you to leave.
Okay.
You
where
got
do
your
I
shoes
go?
on.
I know where do I go.
You go to St. Vincent de Paul.
Where is that? And what is it? A shelter?
yeah.
No, I'll go to the Don Cesar. I have a permit. Let's go. I
Well,
do.
let's go then.
Don Cesar.
Officers received a call requesting assistance in escorting an elderly woman named Davis, 68, off the hospital premises. She claimed her shoes had gone missing, but staff confirmed she had not been wearing any upon admission.
What? Why? No, it's not. You have no sense of direction. What's wrong with you? No, you don't.
Let her go down. Let her go down
Like
Fifth
go
Avenue.
west.
Let's go that way.
Central. You want to escort me? Come on, sir. I need you as a witness.
No way out here by the ambulance bay right here. I see you pull it out. You see that police cruiser right there? You got two options. He's going to take you to Pinellas County Jail if you don't leave the property.
Is that normal?
Yes, it is.
That's a normal thing when you get out.
When you get discharged, yes.
Oh, it is.
Yes, it is.
So if I walk down here.
Well, listen to me. What I'm trying to give you an option, right?
Yeah.
If you leave.
Can I get donuts for you guys?
No. Just listen up. Listen up.
Are you on?
Listen up. If you leave the property,
Yeah.
you won't get arrested.
Well, how?
If you don't leave the property, you will be arrested. I have all the paperwork saying you've been discharged and you cleared
What time?
to go to jail.
What time was that?
Which one you gonna do?
I want to know what time.
Which one you gonna do?
I want to know what
Let's
time
see if
you
you don't get
discharged me because you're making a big deal out of this.
Ma'am, just walk away.
Walk away?
Yeah.
Okay, I was discharged.
Walk up on me.
10 minutes.
Listen.
10 minutes
Back
ago.
up. It's time for you to
Which
leave,
way
though.
should I back up? This way, this
Time for
way,
you to
or this
leave,
way?
though.
Okay.
I'm gonna go all day. Come on. We're not gonna spend all day with this right here.
Okay, arrest me. Channel 9 News. I love being arrested. You know why? You know why I love being arrested? Because Jesus Christ sends me where I need to go.
She just got discharged. I got her medically cleared for jail. They got the paperwork.
I got discharged 5 minutes ago and they're arresting me now.
Because you won't leave the property. If you want to leave the property.
I just found my shoes.
But the problem is we're not going to spend 15 minutes out here debating about you leaving.
I'm tiny. We haven't even been discharged for 15 minutes. What's
We
wrong
have for a
with
while.
you? How long? A while. How long's a while?
Almost 45 minutes.
Oh my God.
Ma'am, I'm gonna tell you something.
I've
Hey,
never
listen.
been treated so bad in my whole
Ma'am,
life.
ma'am, listen.
I'm gonna
listen,
write my Congress
listen,
like
ma'am.
man.
You
Yes,
got
ma'am.
anything on you that can poke me, stick me, stab me, anything illegal, anything get you in trouble when you go to the jail? When you bring contraband to jail, it's a felony, okay?
Oh, maybe I got that. I don't
you
know.
do?
I don't know.
All right, be honest with me.
Okay, it could be, but I
Where's
forgot.
that? They just put this on. Okay, she didn't have no proof. Okay, good.
Okay, now what jail do we get to go to?
We go to Pinellas County Jail, ma'am.
Can we stop and get donuts for
No,
you guys?
nope. I'm on a diet. I don't eat donuts. Get in the car. Ma'am, let's go to the car.
Okay.
Ma'am, go to the car,
And a
okay?
flight from Tony Dungy?
Ma'am, get in the car. Get in the car.
Okay, is this normal to
Yes,
do?
get in the car.
No, is it normal
Ma'am,
to do?
get
No,
in the car.
I'm trying, but my foot is injured.
Okay, well, get up in the car.
I can't.
Put your
It's
other foot
stuck.
in.
I'm 68 years old, mister. Ow!
Put your other foot in the car.
Wait, can you loosen these a little
No,
bit?
get in the car.
I
Ma'am,
can't.
get in the
I'm
car.
68 years old.
Ma'am, just sit up.
I'm not playing.
Ma'am,
I'm
I'm helping you.
68 years
Ma'am,
old.
ma'am, here.
Ah.
I'm gonna sit you up. I'm gonna sit you right here.
I'm trying.
I want you to lift your knee up, okay?
Ow.
Lift your knee up.
Oh.
Lift your knee up,
Oh
ma'am.
my God.
Lift your knee up. I'll help you out, okay?
Thank you.
There you go, right there.
You need to sit up.
Sit up.
You're leaning back. You need to sit up.
I know. I
Sit up.
can't. You can help me though. Nothing but the Jesus.
You have the cuffs? Yeah, I'm not the cuffs on.
Yeah,
I'm
can
gonna
you
put
get
the
those
seatbelt on you.
Okay, now listen. You can send me the pins.
No.
Why not?
You passed that road, ma'am.
If I'm mentally ill, you
Ma'am,
should
you're
send
going
me.
to jail.
Oh well,
The
then
discussion's over.
you're gonna make it harder on me.
You use the other one, dude.
Okay, you guys are really taking me to Tony Dungy's house, right?
No, I'm not taking you to nobody's house. I'm taking you to Pinellas County Jail.
Well, lovely.
The charge of trespassing after a warning can result in fines and/or non-custodial correction, depending on the severity of the intrusion and the consequences caused. In more serious cases, the penalty can increase to 2 to 5 years. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to catch more gripping real-life stories behind the badge